In the vast wilderness of our planet, there exists a creature unlike any other. It roams the forests and grasslands with a unique grace and charm. Today, we delve into the world of the pangolins posse, as we uncover the true facts about these incredible animals. Pangolins, the world's only scaly mammal, belong to the family Manatee and are often referred to as the scaly anteaters. They possess a remarkable set of adaptations that have allowed them to thrive for millions of years. Let's start with their most distinctive feature, their scales. These tough, overlapping scales act as a suit of armor, protecting them from predators and other dangers they may encounter in their habitat. When threatened, the pangolins' incredible defense mechanism comes into play. With lightning speed, they roll themselves into an impenetrable ball, exposing only their tough outer scales to potential threats. While their armor helps protect them, the pangolins' real passion lies in their insatiable appetite for ants and termites. Equipped with a long, sticky tongue, they effortlessly slurp up their favorite delicacies from deep within the intricate tunnels these insects call home. But finding their favorite snacks isn't always easy. Pangolins possess powerful claws, ideal for excavating the hard earth in search of insects. With impressive strength and precision, they dig deep, unearthing a treasure trove of ant colonies and termite mounds. Pangolins are also incredibly devoted parents. Mothers carry their young on their tails for several months, teaching them the ways of the wild and ensuring their safety. This close bond between mother and baby is heartwarming and a testament to the pangolins' nurturing instincts. Sadly, despite their remarkable qualities, pangolins face numerous threats that put them at risk of extinction. Illegal wildlife trade, driven by the demand for their scales and meat, has led to a devastating decline in their population. Activist.
It's crucial that we take immediate action to protect these incredible creatures. Through education, awareness, and stricter enforcement of wildlife protection laws, we can ensure a brighter future for the pangolin species.
Pangolins posse, these enigmatic creatures of the wild, are a testament to the marvels of nature. By understanding and appreciating their true facts, we can help preserve their existence for generations to come. Join us on this journey of exploration and discovery. Together, let's unlock the mysteries of the pangolins and protect their rightful place in our world.